In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank from Zoho Books. If you're tidying up your accounts, closing an old feed, or correcting a setup mistake, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, along with a few tips to keep everything clean and compliant. Start by opening Zoho Books and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This home screen gives you a snapshot of your organization, but for our task, we're heading straight to the banking section. Look to the left navigation menu and click Banking. This is where all connected accounts, bank feeds, credit cards, and cash accounts are listed. From the banking page, locate the specific bank account you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the correct one, especially if you have similarly named accounts or multiple currencies. Open that bank account so you can access its options. Inside the bank account view, look for the Settings menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a gear icon or a three-dot menu near the account name or in the top right corner of the page. Click the Settings menu to reveal the available actions for this account. In the menu, select Delete. Zoho Books will usually prompt you to confirm this action. Read the confirmation carefully so you understand what's being removed. Deleting a bank account in Zoho Books is a permanent change and is best done only when you're sure you no longer need the account in your records. A few practical tips before you confirm. If Zoho Books prevents the deletion, it may be because the account still has imported transactions, reconciliations, or an active bank feed linked to it. In those cases, you'll need to resolve pending items or clear related data before trying again. Also, if you're simply looking to stop new transactions from syncing but want to keep your history, consider disconnecting or unlinking the bank feed instead of deleting the account entirely. That way, your past records stay intact while the connection is removed. Once you've reviewed the prompt and you're confident, confirm the deletion. You should be returned to the banking page, and the account you removed will no longer appear in your list. That's all there is to it. To recap, sign into Zoho Books and go to the dashboard. Open Banking from the left menu. Choose the bank you want to remove. Open its Settings menu and select Delete. Take a moment to verify you've picked the correct account and that any required cleanup is done beforehand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.